Let's get Active Defender installed and ready to go on your mobile device. This only takes a few minutes, and once you're set up, you'll stay connected and informed during any emergency. Start by opening your device's App Store. Search for Active Defender and verify the Active Defender logo you see of the screen. Now download the app onto your device. It is the official emergency communication system your campus uses. When you open Active Defender for the first time, your device will ask for notification permissions. Tap Allow. These alerts keep you aware of emergencies in real time. If you're on an Apple device, you will also see a request for critical alerts. Allow those as well. They can allow critical alerts to override silent mode on your Apple device. This could make a huge difference in ensuring you're not left in the dark during life safety events. To access Active Defender, you will begin with a login screen for your campus group. Note: you must have credentials for your specific campus before you can log in with your personal credentials. Your campus administrator will need to provide you with this information. Enter both the group name and group password, and press Login. Next, you'll choose your role. Select Staff if you work on this campus. Select Responder if you are part of an outside agency supporting this campus. Now you'll reach the personal login screen. There are two possibilities here, depending on how your campus set things up. If your campus uses individual usernames and passwords, the administrator will give you your username. Enter your username and your password, then press Validate. If your campus uses school email authentication, tap Login with my Google email account. This will open your browser for secure authentication. Enter your school email credentials there. When you're done, return to the Active Defender app and you will be logged in. Once you're logged in, accept the terms of use. After that, the app will show you a quick set of training slides. You can walk through them now or skip them and come back later through the settings menu. You are now logged in and ready to use Active Defender. Now that you have Active Defender installed on your mobile device, you might appreciate adjusting your device settings so you control how and when you receive alerts. We don't expect you to keep the app running, so we want you to be able to decide which alerts you want to receive and during what times. I can show you how to set this up so nothing important gets blocked by your phone. Now that you have Active Defender installed, let's make sure your iPhone is set up to deliver alerts the way you want them. These steps matter because they help you receive the right information at the right time. If you use an Apple Watch, you may notice that some notifications skip your phone and only vibrate on the watch. Many staff prefer Active Defender alerts to show up on the phone instead of the watch. Let's walk through how to control that. Start by finding the Watch app on your iPhone. The icon is black with a simple image of a watch face. Tap to open it. In the Watch app, tap Notifications. Scroll down until you see Active Defender. Here you can choose how notifications behave. If you prefer alerts to show up on your phone instead of your watch, turn these settings off. If you want the alerts to always try to go to the watch, then keep them on. Set it the way that works best for you. Apple focus modes, such as Do Not Disturb or Personal Focus, can silence notifications. Active Defender uses real-time alerts, and you never want those blocked during a life safety event. Let's adjust your focus settings so important alerts still come through. Open the Settings app and tap Focus. You will see several focus modes. These control when your phone silences notifications. Choose the focus mode you use most. Inside that screen, look for Allowed Apps, then tap Apps. Add Active Defender to your allowed list. This tells your phone that Active Defender is always permitted to notify you, even when focus is active. You may now want to repeat this process for other focus modes as you see fit. While you are in Apple settings, let's check that critical alerts are enabled for Active Defender. If you already allowed them during installation, you're set. If not, I can walk you through a check and you can turn them on now. Open your Settings app and tap Notifications. Scroll down the list of apps until you find Active Defender. Tap it. First, make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Second, make sure Critical Alerts is turned on. Finally, make sure alerts are enabled for the lock screen, notification center, and banners. Turn on sounds and badges if they are off. You depend on Active Defender for real-time information. And these simple adjustments make sure your phone never hides or silences the alerts that matter. Take a moment to confirm each setting so you stay fully covered. We appreciate you and the work you do every day. Our team is here to serve you and to support your safety in every way we can.